How is that too early?
Okay,
Like,
I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rar, extra noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses are Nicky like you told them or till they hee hee. Unzips your baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
yes!
Oh my
Fuck
god, you
this
beat
level,
it.
bro.
Oh
Fuck
my
this
god,
level.
you actually
Fuck
beat
this
it.
level. Shitty
Oh my
ass
god,
and
you actually
fuck
beat
this
it.
level.
You actually beat it. Holy shit, you actually beat it.
God. What the hell is the Nvidia thing? Alt Z?
Like,